In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer money off of a Visa gift card. So this one is gonna be pretty easy, so I just need your attention and then we'll get to it soon. So basically what you need to do first is to create an invoice because Visa gift cards, they act as some sort of similar to that of credit cards and debit cards. And remember that you will need to have two accounts for this one. The first one being your own account, and the second one being another account that isn't connected in any way to your personal account. Because I will explain later on why you need to do that. So here we are currently on an invoice. We need to give this to the email or the name of the account that you have access to but isn't connected to your account. All right, let's try typing it something here. Let's say this one's saying hey at gmail.com is an account of mine, and that I have access to it. It could also not be yours, but as long as you have access to it, that's all that matters. And now here we will write down what they are paying for. This one is going to be important because this is the this is where you get the money. This is how you get to withdraw the cash off of the card, the reward card. So let's say you're gonna take on this specific amount of money from your rewards card. So what you just need to do is just put down how much you wanna withdraw from the reward card or the gift card. So let's say that I just want to take out 500 pesos from the gift card. It's in my currency, but you can change it to whatever you want it to be. It doesn't really matter. So the tax option isn't really applicable to this one either. So it could just go and make sure that everything is set. The email, the amount of money, just click add once you're done. And then you just click send on the top right here. And then once you do, what you need to do is go to the other account and then you'll be receiving this invoice on that account. And once you do, you need to pay the invoice. And what you should just do is just pay it usually as you would do. So you would access the invoice and then you need to put down the details of the card of that you have, the gift card. And what it should do is it will take money off the gift card so that it will be sent to your PayPal balance to this other account. So it may sound very hectic, but it's very simple when you think about it properly. So that's all you need to think about. It's very easy and there's not much that you need to do. So that is how you can you can transfer money off of your gift card to your PayPal for this example. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.